Hi beautiful people. So I'm making this video because many of you asked me that how I edited my recent 2-layer video. So I will give you a small tutorial on this, and after this you will be definitely able to make the same thing. I hope this video will help you. And here is the video for I'm making this tutorial. So first of all, open the VN app. Let me discard this recent content first. Now click on the new project and then select photos and select any photo, doesn't matter what is it. Now click on the original and select the ratio of 9:16, which has the TikTok watermark. Now select OK, and then you will get the watermark of the app at the end of your video. You should delete it. The plus icon and select material and select the black material one, and do it again if your video is long. And now delete the photo you have selected at the beginning, and now select the video you want to edit. Select your first video and crop it into the ratio of 4:3 and place it in the 1/2 of the frame and adjust this according to you, and then select the second video you want to edit with this. And repeat the same process with this one. Crop this in the ratio of 4:3 and place your video below the recent one, and make sure your video shares the equal place in the frame. After this your video is completely ready. Now you just have to save the video. I hope this video helps you, and if you love the video, please share it with your friends and like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you so much and keep showering your love.